Hello guys, and welcome to another amazing video. Now in this amazing video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Trucksition effect. Yes, so let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, you must have seen this in so many movies where the truck becomes the transition element. I mean, it's really crazy. So all you have to do to create this kind of effect: one, go to higgsfield.ai. Two, sign in or sign up. Three, go to visual effects. Four, scroll and choose the Trucksition. Five, you'll be brought to this page. All you have to do is to click generate. Six, you have to upload your two images. Upload one here, upload the final one here. The first one should be here, the second one should be here. 7, describe the prompt or what you want here. You can describe the color of your truck or describe the how big it should be or whatever you want. You can always use ChatGPT. 8, click on the model, change it if you will, but I would advise you leave it here. So once that is done, select your duration, resolution, and then finally hit generate to create your perfect video in minutes. So after this is done, you can hit download to get your video to your device, and that's it guys. You would have successfully created a perfect Trucksition for your project. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'm going to try and respond to them.